Boy, Bad Boy J, and today we are back with another review. For some reason, China Walk has this grip on me, y'all, that I cannot shake from. So we're gonna be trying China Walk. Let's just get rid of this, y'all. I got me a soda. Let's get rid of these hiccups real quick. Ooh, now that we got that out the way. So I got me some fried chicken wings and some chicken lo mein. Ooh. I can't wait to try the chicken lo mein. So yeah, y'all. Why the chicken lo mein this big? Why just this much chicken lo mein? I want my chicken lo mein and that plate. Yeah, I'm always complaining. That's why people don't like me, cause y'all always complaining. I'm always complaining. I have nothing but these big ass fucking spoons right now. These fucking shovels. But let's try my chicken lo mein, y'all. And I don't know why I got a spoon for chicken lo mein, but let's try it. Yeah, and I was in the studio and I just created some cool vibes, so I can't wait for y'all to hear that, see what we feeling. Yeah, so this is the chicken lo mein. I don't know what the fuck is this or how to feel about it. Let's try it. Smells like a Chinese restaurant. I got hiccups, bro. It tastes very lo mein-y. I never had lo mein before, but that's what I expected it to taste like. And it tastes pretty good, actually. So that chicken lo mein, let's try. I'll give it a 8. It kind of tastes like some ramen noodles, but like Chinese version. What? Don't these look like my noodles, y'all? Let's try a chicken wing. Let's try a chicken wing, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's try it. That's real good. That's super good. It's hot. It's hot. The rice tastes like mush, like the second episode. It's good. It's hot though. You gotta let it cool down a little bit before you eat it, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, I would pick this combination. This would be the Bad Boy J meal. The fried chicken wings with the lo mein meal. Because it's just, if you're brave enough and bold enough to, you know, go and take all 3 and eat all 3 of them, then there's like a party on your palate. So it's like this, like, yeah, I just made a new song. The hook is like, what's that? 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 Let's try a little chicken lo mein rice. Alright, y'all, stream my brand new song, Big Dogs. Thank you for fucking with me. Thank you for subscribing to me, y'all. Thank you for always fucking with your boy. I have a brand new song coming out. We always got new music coming out. Always new vibes, y'all. Thank you for just rocking with the boy. I appreciate y'all. Lo mein. That make you slow down and appreciate everybody. I'm gonna play a little bit of my new single.
Hey, Mel, what the fuck is that?
What's that? What's that? What's that? You can see the money that's in my eye. Man, cause you walking in. I ain't even said because said I'm the true religion Christian. All white Louis, I'm on top. Everybody wants what's hot. Invested in me, I raced out. I'm a D-boy bitch, I'm always gonna get my guap. Oh, but I'm overseas, I'm established. I'm still fucking shit up once I get a time. Give me a beat and you can watch me rhyme. Let me put it on and watch me get by. You don't wanna fall in love, look me in my eye. Puro amor, baby, this will get you high. Struck out some shit like some 1985. Give you a thrill, baby, you gon' feel alive. Hit me one time and now you feel high. Everybody know that I'm that guy. I lay everywhere else to fly, yeah. The food is amazing. God provides for me every day. God does this big one on me every day. So chicken lo mein, I rated 10 out of 10. Now there was things missing from it, but it was just still like, you know when somebody's so ugly that only a mama can love them? And just because only the mama loves them doesn't mean that they don't deserve love because they're ugly. That's how I feel about the chicken lo mein. I love it. And you know what I mean, I love this. So yeah, we got a fortune cookie. We just got a letter. Wonder where it's from. It's from God. I wonder what he said. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, this one busting at the seams. It's so good to me. It says, follow the path of self-discovery. It leads to authenticity. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Have a sun kiss, baby.